All right, welcome everybody to the webinar here, Austin Investment Webinar here, Cashflow City. Hey, I really appreciate you guys joining us today to talk about the Austin real estate market and all the great things that are going on here. And it was really exciting to see that all across the nation we're seeing a real estate recovery, and in a big way. Right now, I've been talking to some of the top agents in the city, including just a friend of mine, David Rice, out of the Southwest Market Center, and we were just talking about how the market is heated up so quick on the selling side that it's actually getting to the point where it will even be worse because people won't be able to, even though they can sell their property very easily, they can't so easily buy another property. So that can exasperate a seller's market. And so, but for those that are landlords, it's a great thing, a great position to be in. Austin's the #1 job growth in the nation, and with people moving here from all over the world. In fact, this Austin American Statesman reported in a recent newspaper article that we have 130 people a day moving to Austin. So that's a pretty big number, and it reminds me of the late 1990s when people were moving here and taking advantage of all the job growth for the .com industry. But now we're a much more diversified economy, and so we're excited. I think, Daniel, would you say it was the 14th? It was 14 to now 11.
Yeah, we jumped from 14 to 11.
We went from the 14th largest city in the nation to the 11th largest city in the nation. And so if you guys just a little housekeeping here, you've got a question box down there that you can ask me questions. I've got a lot of slides here. I've got 79 slides to get through in this hour, so I probably will not answer the questions till the end, and then we'll have a Q&A at the end if anybody has any questions, concerns, and we'll go from there. So just a little bit about myself, a bio. I moved here 20 years ago. I've been in the business for 30 years, and I know Austin. I know every street practically in Austin. I know every subdivision, every builder, and they know me too. So I know where to target to be able to purchase properties. Over 100 million in sales, actually more like 120 million in sales in the past 6 years, and over 600 investor properties sold. And a national speaker. I talk on national stages now, not only about real estate, but also about video marketing, and that's becoming a hot topic. So if you're interested in video marketing, to get off topic here, give me a call or contact me. You got my contact information at the bottom of this slide, and I think it's all the way throughout. If you'd like a copy of this PowerPoint, we will go ahead and send it to you, and so you don't have to request it because we're going to send it to you anyways. All right.
Get them the video too.
We'll get the video. The great thing about it, you don't have to take notes if you don't want to, because this will be put up on YouTube as a video, and we'll also send you a link to that so you can watch this over again at your own leisure. And even better yet, forward it to a friend or relative, and talk if they're interested in the market as well, so they can see all the cool statistics that I'm going to come across here for you. So just search for Austin Investment Webinar, and you'll be able to get contact. This is all about relationship building, so please give me a call, ask me questions. If you're not ready to buy now, that's fine. If you're thinking about selling now, because that's great too. We actually have a really good network, including our property manager that manages over 550 properties, and we have a lot of insider information and insider properties, pocket listings, so to speak, that's what you call it, that are not out on the open market, but they are available for purchase. And we're going to cover some of those today, about 3/4 of the way through this webinar. Okay, so we'll just get started. Written a couple of national published books, and if you email me, I will send you if you email me your address, I'll send you a hard copy, signed hard copy of my Power Goals book. And if you're interested in the first-time home buying secrets, I don't know if we have any left on the shelf. Yeah, we have a few there. I'll send that to you too. The home buying secrets is great for people first or second-time home, or if you got a college graduate that wants to buy a house. Okay, so taking a look here, this is the way Austin looked in 2004 when I first started doing investment seminars, and pretty interesting that this is the way it looks now. So once again, we're seeing exponential growth here. With all the downtown high-rises, and that's all the way out to the suburbs too as well. So pretty interesting slide that we have here. Here's a newspaper article from last week. Home sales climbed 29%, local record for May. This is a sign of the times here in Austin, Texas. Now we've seen a little bit of a breather, a little bit of a slowdown due to the interest rates jumping, and people taking taking a little bit of rest. Also, June and July. Well, July has been a hot month until now. We've gotten some really good rain. We had a couple inches of rain, so and right now it's in the mid 80s. So we're excited about the cool weather.